Welcome to Easy English Listening.
Mark, do you have the extra water bottles?
Yes, I have 3 liters in my bag.
Good. Is Sarah still busy with her project?
Yeah, she said she has too much work today.
That's a shame. She is missing a great day.
At least it's just us, a real men's trip.
Don't forget the map, Mark.
I have it right here. Let's go.
The car is ready. Let's hit the road.
Wow, look at these mountain peaks.
The air here is so fresh and cold.
It is much better than the dusty city.
Which path should we take first?
The sign says the waterfall path is that way.
Is it a difficult climb?
It says medium level on the board.
That's perfect for a Saturday morning.
Let's see who reaches the top first. Wait, my boots are a bit loose.
Tighten them now, or you will get a blister.
Good point. Hey, look at this branch.
It looks like a perfect walking stick.
Now I feel like a real explorer.
You look like an old wizard, Mark.
Very funny. It helps with the hills.
Use it well. The path is getting steeper.
I'm ready. Let's keep moving.
Oh, look! The bridge is broken.
Can we jump over the water?
It's too wide. We have to use those rocks.
Are they stable? They look wet.
Throw a small stone to check.
It seems solid enough.
Watch me first. Okay, I'm across.
My turn. Give me your hand.
Got you. That was a close one.
Alex, I think we missed the turn.
No way. We've been walking for 20 minutes.
My phone says we're off the trail.
Let me see. Oh, you're right.
We should have turned left at the big pine.
This is why I told you to watch the signs.
Don't blame me. You were talking the whole time.
Okay. Let's head back to the fork.
At least we get some extra exercise. Can we stop for a second? I'm out of breath.
Sure. Let's sit on this flat rock.
Do you want a protein bar?
Yes, please. I'm starting to feel hungry.
Look at the view of the valley from here.
It's incredible. Everything looks so small.
I should have brought my professional camera.
Your phone takes great photos anyway.
True. Let's take a summit selfie.
Shh. Did you hear that rustling?
Is it a bear? Tell me it's not a bear.
Stay calm. It's probably just a bird.
It sounded much bigger than a bird.
Look, over there by the bushes.
Oh, it's just a mountain goat.
See? You were so scared.
Hey, those goats have sharp horns.
It's more afraid of us than we are of it.
Do you think Sarah is finished with her work?
Probably not. She is very focused today.
She works too hard sometimes.
I know. I'll bring her some wild flowers.
Don't pick those. It's a national park.
Oh, you're right. I'll just buy her some later.
Just bring her a nice photo of the lake.
Good idea. She loves nature photos.
Let's move. The lake is close. Alex, look, through the trees.
Finally, the water is like a mirror.
It is so blue, it's hard to believe.
This is the best part of the whole forest.
Can we touch the water?
Sure, but I bet it is freezing.
Yikes, it's like ice.
I told you, no swimming today.
Let's just sit here and enjoy the silence.
What did Sarah pack for us?
Let's see. Some ham sandwiches and cookies.
She is the best. I forgot to bring a knife.
Don't worry, I have a multi-tool in my pocket.
You are prepared for everything, Mark.
That's why you invited me, right?
Maybe. Give me a sandwich.
Here, careful, there's a lot of mustard.
Perfect. I love mustard.
So, how is the new project at your office?
It's a lot of pressure, honestly.
Do you like your new colleagues?
They are okay, but I miss my old team.
It takes time to get used to a new place.
I know, but the salary is much better.
That's the most important thing, my friend.
Hopefully, I can take a longer vacation soon.
You definitely deserve it after this week.
We should start heading back to the car.
Already? The sun is still high.
It takes longer to go down than you think.
And my knees are starting to ache.
Use your walking stick for support.
Good idea. Let's pack our trash first.
Don't leave anything behind.
Of course. I have a bag for the plastic.
Let's go. Stay on the marked trail this time.
Ouch! Careful! The ground is loose here.
Did you fall?
No, but I almost twisted my ankle.
Take smaller steps on the steep parts.
My boots have no grip on this sand.
Use the trees for balance if you need to.
Thanks. I'm okay, just a bit shaken.
We are almost at the flat part of the path.
Good. I'm ready for a real chair. Oh, finally.
We walked 12 kilometers today.
My feet are burning.
Here, have some more water.
Ah, that's better.
Is the trunk open? I'll put the bags in.
Yes, here are the keys.
Get in the car. I'll turn on the air conditioning.
You are a lifesaver, Alex.
I hope Sarah has finished her project.
If not, we can help her with dinner.
I'm too tired to cook. Let's order a pizza.
Again? We had pizza on Monday.
But hiking makes me very hungry for pizza.
Okay, fine. I'll pay this time.
Deal. It was a great day, Mark.
It really was nice. Thanks for the trip, man.
Any time, brother. Let's head home.